In this tutorial, we're going to explore two special data types in JavaScript, null and undefined. These might seem a bit abstract if you're new to programming, but don't worry. We'll break it down and make it fun and easy to understand. Here we've declared a variable called myVar, but we haven't given it a value. When we print it out to the console, we get undefined. This is JavaScript's way of saying, this variable has been declared, but it doesn't have a value yet. Now, we've assigned null to myVar, and when we print it out, we get null. Null is a special value that represents no value or no object. It's often used to indicate that a variable should have no value. Now that we have seen what null and undefined are, let's explore how they can be used in different scenarios. Here, A is undefined and B is null. When we use the typeOf operator, we see that undefined is its own type, while null is an object. Now, let's look at the differences between null and undefined. When we use the double equals equals equals, null and undefined are considered equal because they both represent nothing or a missing value. But when we use the triple equals 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 equals, which checks for both value and type, they are not considered equal, because null and undefined are of different types. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you now have a better understanding of the special data types null and undefined in JavaScript. Remember, undefined means a variable has been declared but has not yet been assigned a value, and null is an assignment value that means no value or no object. Keep practicing and happy coding.